What are articles? Articles are little words that come before nouns. Nouns can be people, places, or things. The articles in English are a, an, and the. For example, a car, an apple, the moon. Which article do we use? It depends on how many nouns there are. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular means one. Singular articles are a, an, and the. For example, a book, an umbrella, the sun. We use a when a singular noun begins with a consonant. A chair, a dog, a tree. We use an when a singular noun begins with a vowel. An elephant, an ice cube, an orange. We can use the when a singular noun begins with a consonant or a vowel. The pen, the owl, the TV. Plural means two or more. We can use no article or the with a plural noun. For example, a tree, trees, an elephant, elephants, the cat, the cats, the egg, the eggs. Which article do we use? It also depends on the type of noun. Nouns can be general or specific. A noun is general when it's one of many. We don't know which noun it is, and we usually can't see it. We use a, an, or no article with general nouns. For example, I want a cookie. He needs an eraser. She likes animals. A noun is specific when it's only a certain one. We know which one it is, and we can usually see it. We use the with specific nouns. For example, the sunset is beautiful tonight. The bank is closed. The flowers are yellow. Let's compare general and specific articles and nouns. Do you need a pen? You can use the blue pen or the red pen. Do you want a snack? You can have the cookies or the fries. I want to buy a new jacket. Should I buy the red jacket or the green jacket? Look at the picture and say or write a sentence using an article. For example, the bank is open. Now you try.